If your Samsung TV remote control is not working, there are several possible reasons for the issue. The problem could be due to dead batteries, obstructions, or a lost connection. To fix the issue, start by replacing the batteries, as they may have depleted their charge. Open the battery compartment on the remote, remove the old batteries, and install new ones. Then, check if the remote is working. Another potential solution is to check for any obstructions that may be interfering with the signal path between the remote control and the TV's IR sensor. Remove any objects that could be blocking the signal, and also consider moving electronic devices away from the TV, as they can also interfere with the signal. Additionally, it's possible that the TV and remote have become unpaired, which can happen if the remote hasn't been used for a while or if new batteries have been installed. To restore the connection, press and hold the return and play or pause buttons simultaneously for a few seconds to initiate the pairing process, and then follow the on-screen instructions to complete it. By trying these simple solutions, you should be able to fix your Samsung TV remote control and get it working again.